Now that we've seen some of the most common types of charts and learned about how the grammar of graphics helps us separate data from our visual representation of that data, I want to show you how to put this theory into practice using D3 and associated technologies. As covered in Lesson 1, the visualization stack for different technologies can go pretty deep. At the top of this spectrum, we have graphical tools such as Raw or Excel that let us very quickly and easily create predefined charts for our data, but lack flexibility. At the low end of the spectrum are technologies like Canvas, WebGL, and SVG itself. These low-level tools at the bottom of the spectrum are the most flexible, but give you an interface similar to a painter. You must specify pixels and colors to do something even as simple as drawing a line, and just forget about making dynamic charts and binding data. Since we will be working somewhere in the middle of this spectrum when working with charts, I do not yet want to deal with all the complexities of raw D3. D3 is often confused for a charting library, when in fact it exists at one level lower, and also one level below the grammar of graphics. And think of D3 as the building blocks that someone might use if they want to create a charting library with Excel-like plotting functionality. And that is exactly what many people have done. We will be using a library called dimple.js for this live coding example. It's implemented on top of D3, which in turn is implemented on top of SVG, JavaScript, and HTML, and provides us a very nice abstraction for building charts and allows us to think in the way that we might want to when considering the grammar of graphics.